मॅम तुम्ही म्यूट आहात.
होय. Okay, so the formula for output voltage of digital to analog converter, which is of 5 bits, is given by this formula. Now we are going to calculate the full scale output voltage. Okay, for full scale output voltage, digital input must be 1 1 1 1 1, and in this case, as all inputs are equal, its voltage level will be equal to 16 volt. That is what I have written here. Now I want to tell you that in this formula, this particular thing is, let us use some another color. So this particular thing is LSB. You remember this. By remembering this only, you have to solve this problem. This is your LSB and this is your MSB. Always keep this in mind. The V4 is your MSB and V0 is your LSB. So weightage related to LSB is smaller and weightage related to MSB is largest. Okay. Now, how to find the full scale output voltage? Okay. So let us call it as VAFS. VAFS. Okay. And as all voltages are equal and they are all 16 volt, so we can take 16 into common, and into bracket you can write 2 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 1 plus 2 raised to 2 plus 2 raised to 3 plus 2 raised to 4. Okay. So this will be in the numerator, and at the denominator, as all of you know, काय झालं? Raised to 9 झालं. 2 raised to 4. Okay. So what is value of 2 raised to 5?
32.
32. So this will be 32 minus 1. Now we have to write value of each here. So 16 into bracket 2 raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2. 2 raised to 2 is 4. 2 raised to 3 is 8. And 2 raised to 4 is 16. And this whole divided by 31. You will get 31. Okay. Now add all these quantities together. Okay. 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 8 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. And 30 plus 1 is 31. So it will be equal to 16 into bracket 31 divided by 31. Okay. So if you simplify this, 31 will cancel with 31, and what remains here is 16 volt. Your full scale output voltage is 16 volt. Okay. हे समजलं का? ज्या वेळेस सगळे इनपुट बिट 1 असतात त्यावेळेस आपल्याला फुल स्केल आउटपुट व्होल्टेज मिळतं. मग सगळे 1 करायचे. सगळे 1 आहेत लॉजिक 1 ला, म्हणजे काय, सगळे इनपुट 16 व्होल्टला आहेत. ओके, आलं लक्षात? चला ह्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या. काय समजलं नसेल तर विचारा अनम्यूट करून, आणि स्क्रीनशॉट घेतला की सांगा मला, म्हणजे मग आपण पुढचं सॉल्व्ह करू.
घेतला मॅम.
ओके, मग क्लिअर करू?
हो मॅम.
नाही क्लिअर नाही करत, मी काय करते, हे पुसून टाकते, म्हणजे मग ते फॉर्म्युला तुमच्या समोर राहू दे, कसं ते बरं पडतं. ओके, मग दुसरं काय काढायचंय आपल्याला सांगा, दुसरं काय काढायचंय?
Voltage due to LSB change.
हा बरोबर आहे. आता सेकंड जे आहे आपलं, सेकंड जे आहे ते आहे व्होल्टेज ड्यू टू LSB change. 1 LSB change. ओके, आता 1 LSB म्हणजे काय? इथे LSB कुठला आहे? हा 1 LSB. याचा अर्थ काय? हे फक्त 1 पाहिजे आणि बाकी सगळं 0 पाहिजे. ओके, सो इथे आपण आउटपुट कसं काढायचं? फाइंड आउटपुट फॉर इनपुट, फक्त LSB 1 करायचं, बाकी सगळे 0. म्हणजे तुमचा डेटा आता काय आहे? 4 टाइम्स 0 आणि 1. ओके, आता या डेटामध्ये जर तुम्ही ऑब्झर्व केलं तर तुम्हाला काय दिसेल? हा तुमचा MSB आहे, हे लक्षात ठेवा बरं का नेहमी. आणि हा LSB आहे, LSB. आता आपण काय दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल मध्ये? व्हॉट इज गिवन टू अस? लॉजिक 0 मीन्स 0 व्होल्ट and logic 1 means 16 volt. That means in this formula we have to substitute V4 equal to V3 equal to V2 equal to V1 equal to 0. कारण आता हा MSB आहे ना तुमचा, म्हणजे हा MSB झाला, हा दुसरा बीट झाला, हा तिसरा बीट झाला, हा चौथा बीट झाला आणि हा पाचवा बीट म्हणजे MSB तुमचा जो आहे इट इज 1. तो 0 0 0 0 1. आपण संख्या कशी लिहितो अशी 0 0 0 0 1. पण हा फॉर्म्युला एक्झॅक्टली उलटा आहे ना. इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम LSB अँड एंड्स विथ MSB. So you have to write the reverse number 1 0 0 0 0. Okay. So now let us find the value of VA LSB, output voltage due to 1 LSB change. So that is what we are going to find out. So VA LSB will be, now as this particular bit is 1, the value of VO will be 16. 16 into 2 raised to 0. Now as this bit is 0, value of V1 will be 0. 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus, as again this digit or bit is 0, the value of V2 will be 0 into 2 raised to 2. Similarly, V3 will also be 0. 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus MSB is also 0. Therefore, this is 0 into 2 raised to 4. And this whole divided by 2 raised to 5 minus 1. It will remain same. Okay. Now let us simplify this. Okay. Now what is 2 raised to 0? What is value of 2 raised to 0? Tell me what is value of 2 raised to 0?
1.
1.
1.
One.
It is 1. So it will be 16 into 1 plus anything into 0 is 0. So this term will also be 0. This term will also be 0. And this term will also be 0. And in the numerator, the same thing you can write. 2 raised to 5 is 32. And this minus 1. So 16 into 1 is 16. And 16 plus all zeros is again 16. So it will be 16 divided by 31. Calculate it, how much it comes out. If you have calculator, you can calculate it. I will calculate on the mobile.
0.516.
0.516. Okay. 16 divided by 31. 0.516. Okay. So this will be 0.516 volt. So 1 LSB voltage is equal to 0.516 volt, and this is nothing but the resolution of your digital to analog converter. So this is a resolution also. Okay, this is the resolution. Okay, take a screenshot of this, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Have you taken screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will erase out all remaining things. And what is the third thing that we are going to find? What is the third thing that we are going to find?
Analog output voltage for a digital input of 10110.
Yes. So third is analog voltage. Analog voltage for digital input 10110. Okay. Now, here also you can see that this is LSB and this is MSB. So write formula according to this. So first write down formula and then write down digits over here. Okay. So I'm going to rub this and I'm going to write the new value for which we are going to find out the voltage. Okay. So what is LSB? LSB is 0. What is the next bit to LSB? It is 1. Next bit to that, it is 1. Next bit to that, it is 0. And your MSB is 1. Okay. So here you can observe now for the formula what the data becomes 01101. So you have to flip the data 01101. Okay. So first write down the data in this way. Then and then only your answer will be correct. Otherwise, sometimes what students do, instead of writing it as 01101, they simply write it as 10110. So if you write like that, the wrong answer will be there. Okay. So first write down overhead of each quantity, the digit in proper LSB and MSB manner. And after this, let us find the digit analog input for given digital input. Okay. So now in this case, VO will be 0, obviously 0, because the value of LSB is 0. So 0 into 2 raised to 0. The next bit is 1 now. So as it is 1, the value of V1 will be 16 into 2 raised to 1 plus. The next digit is 1. Therefore, value of V2 is also 16. 16 into 2 raised to 2 plus value of V3 will be 0 because digit is 0. 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus as V4 the digit is 1, the value of V4 will be 16 and 16 into 2 raised to 4 and this whole divided by 2 raised to 5 minus 1 as usual. Okay. So 0 into anything is 0 plus 2 raised to 1 is 2. So 2 multiplied by 16 is 32. Okay. Plus 16 into 4. What is the value of 16 into 4?
64.
64. So it will be 64. Okay. Now this will be 0 because 0 into 2 raised to 3 is 0. Plus 16 into 2 raised to 4. What is value of 2 raised to 4?
16.
16. So what is 16 into 16?
256.
It will be 256. Okay. And whole this divided by 2 raised to 5 is 32 minus 1 is 31. Okay. Add all the numbers in the numerator. So what you are going to get? 256 plus 64 plus 32.
352.
352. And this 352 divided by 31. Divided by 31. Okay.
11.35.
11.35. Correct. 11.35 volt. So this is a output voltage for digital input 10110. Okay. समजलं हे मुलांनो? समजलं का?
Yes, ma'am.
मग त्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या. स्क्रीनशॉट घेतलात?
Ma'am.
पुसून टाकूया. मगाशी पेक्षा मुलं कमी झाली का रे? ते मध्ये डिस्कनेक्ट झाल्यावर काही जण गेलेले दिसतात. कोण बरं गेलं? ओके. So like this, you should be able to solve the examples. Now, what is the second example given over here? For 3-bit weighted resistive DAC, find full scale output and output due to LSB. Assume the reference voltage 10 volt. So as here it is written, assume the reference voltage equal to 10 volt. What we have to do is you have to consider 0 as 0 and 1 as 10 volt. Okay. So if this is the case, and if there is a 3-bit weighted resistive digital to analog converter, you have to find these two values: full scale output voltage and output due to LSB. Can you do it yourself now? Yes, tell me. Talk everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it now then. Do it now. Try to do it and tell me how much it comes out to be. So what is given? Can anybody tell me what is given? Zero is equal to 0 and 1 is equal to 10 volt. and n म्हणजे number of bits. N is equal to 3. Okay, so what you are going to find? What you are going to find? Full scale output. Full scale output and output for LSB. Output for 1 LSB. Now, can you tell me what is the formula for 3-bit DAC? Can anybody tell me what is the formula for 3-bit DAC? Yes, just tell me formula for 3-bit DAC.
V0 2 raised to 0 plus V1 2 raised to 1 plus V2 2 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to 3 minus 1.
Very good. V0 into 2 raised to 0, V1 into 2 raised to 1 plus V2 into 2 raised to 2 and whole of this divided by 2 raised to 3 minus 1. So use this formula and find the full scale output voltage and output for 1 LSB.
Ma'am, full scale output voltage 10 volt.
बरोबर आहे. बाकीच्यांचं आलं का रे? मुलांनो बोला. अथर्व आलं का रे फुल स्केल? अथर्व जागा आहे का झोपला? का जेवण करतोय?
नाही मॅम आहे.
आहे. बर, किती आलं आउटपुट व्होल्टेज हे फुल स्केलचं?
मॅम चुकलं जरा थोडस, परत करतो.
बर. आणि तेजसचं काय आलं? तेजस तेजस आहे का जागा?
करतोय मॅम.
बर. शिवानी
करते मॅम.
बर. हे सगळं 1 असलं पाहिजे फुल स्केल आउटपुट काढताना. सगळं 1 म्हणजे 10 आणि कॉमन मध्ये काढा. ब्रॅकेट मध्ये काय येईल? 2 raised to 0 प्लस 2 raised to 1 प्लस 2 raised to 2 डिवायडेड बाय किती येणार? 2 raised to 3 किती असतं? 8. 8 minus 1 7. ओके. मग आता इथे ब्रॅकेट मध्ये काय येणार? 2 raised to 0 म्हणजे 1, 2 raised to 1 म्हणजे 2 आणि 2 raised to 2 म्हणजे 4. मग आता इथे दिसेल तुम्हाला त्याची बेरीज किती येते? 7 येते. म्हणजे हे आणि हे कॅन्सल होणार. राहणार काय 10 व्होल्ट बरोबर ना?
Yes, ma'am.
कुठं चुकलं होतं अथर्वचं?
नाही मॅम मी चुकून 10 पकडलंच नाही मॅम.
हा,
ते 1 आलं होतं मॅम.
1